Hey everyone, what's up? Welcome back to Master Google Ads with Ruthvik Style. Today I will show you how to set up your Google Ads account step by step in just a few minutes. If you are new here, make sure to subscribe for more in-depth Google Ads tutorials. So let's start with creating a Google Ads account. So let's go to the Google search engine and type Google Ads, and yes, select the non-sponsored ads which is ads.google.com. Select this and sign in with your Gmail account if you have not signed it yet. And there's offers running from the Google account. You can use it for your businesses. It's very valuable. If you buy 20,000, they'll get 20,000 rupees more. And so let's start creating a Google Ad account. Click on the Start Now button, and there you go. First, we have to create a new campaign for our account. So the business name of my account is still Style Critic. So you can use your business name. If you are not a business Gmail account, please use your name as your business name. If you are using any other companies, please use the company's name as the business name. And so let's get started. And so this is the website of my I'll show you that this is the website of my page, and make sure you also see the reviews of Telugu reviews in this page. And so I'm entering this page as my website and clicking on the next. And this is how Google show ads to the other users, and this is like the preview of the website only as of now. Enjoy. And the main advertising of my goods. So if I want to promote my critic page, I would be wanting more website sales or leads, like they want to visit my website, so I'm choosing this option as of now. So here you can choose like what you need. If you're the sales or you want leads, choose it, and uh, give a thank you page. Your page should have a thank you page, so Google tracks the thank you page with using the conversion tracking and sees how many sales has been generated from Google Ads. And yes, and as of now, this like ad copy, we call this ad copy, and these are like pre-generated ones. I'm leaving the pre-generated ones and saving it as of now. Okay, okay, I'm selecting this as of now. One logo is required. I'll be uploading any video. Okay, let's go. Select as of now, we'll give what information we have, because we are just sitting up on now, but not running the ads, exact ads. We are just setting about the campaign, and we can pause the campaign now. To register with Google Ads, we need to do about this, and in this we can select the keyword real time. It's a Telugu credit. Yeah, it's a Telugu credit. So I would like to go in Telangana because it's Telugu one, so I'm targeting it with Telangana. So in this you can like select anything as you want. I have said like this is just a trial one. It's not a campaign we are doing or planning. Click on the next button. Select the payment mode as pay with bank. If you are able to do money, you can pay with anything of it. I'm choosing the pay with bank transfer. And so if you want any personal guidance from Google account by phone or any members to contact you, then you can opt this. I don't want it, so I'm opting as it no. Yes, complete. And please check the time zone and country what you are using. And yes, we are done setting up campaign. Means yes, you are done with creating the new account of Google. That's it. You are successfully set up your Google ad account. Now you're ready to start running your ads. In the next video, I will show you how to do the first search ad campaign, how to do conversion tracking, how to do video ads, how to do display ads, and many things. If you found this video helpful, like, share, and subscribe, and keep learning. Also, check out my other videos, playlists, and everything. Thank you. Thank you for watching.